Welcome to this channel on engineering education. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. So in this video we are going to see what is quantum computing. Okay, some interesting topic we are going to discuss. So in this the probability of the objects, in which state they will be. Okay, so that is what the main thing will be considered for computation. For example, if you consider cat, okay, if it is missing at a particular time, okay, and when we were closing the box, okay, it was near to a box. When we were closing the box, the cat was near to it. Okay, so after the box got closed, the cat is missing. Okay, in that case, how to find out where is the cat and whether it went inside the box and whether it is alive or not. Okay, so this kind of thing, what's the probability for the cat to live alive? Okay, so such kind of things will be called as the basic concept of example for the quantum computing. Okay, so in quantum computing there are two important things there. First one is superposition and the second one is entanglement. Okay, so here if you take any normal computation, when you take the traditional computation, if you take if there are n possible ways, okay, then there are 2 per n combinations to solve a problem. Okay, for example, if cryptography is used, the secret key is used for encrypting a particular data to find out what is the key. Okay, because the cryptography algorithm is known to all. Okay, but the encryption key is not known. If the encryption key length is 32 bits or 64 bits, no, then the classical computers will use 2 per n combinations, no, and one at a time they'll try over the encryption algorithm to crack the key, to find out the key, and break the ciphertext to find out the plain text. But using quantum computers, what we can do, all the 2 power n combinations, no, if there is a key used, okay, with n bits key, if it is used for encryption algorithm, all the 2 power n combinations can be computed at the same time. Okay, so that's why the quantum computers are faster than the supercomputers. Okay, basically in all the other computations logic gates will be used, but in the quantum computers quantum gates will be used. In normal computers binary digits will be used, but in the quantum computers qubits will be used, quantum binary digits. Okay, so here qubits are the basic bits used in the quantum computers. Okay, so will be in quantum computers will be designed using the atomic particles like electrons, protons, okay, neutrons will be there. Okay, so at any point of time the electrons will be moving, right, they will be in the moving state. Okay, so that concept is used here in the quantum computers. So the electrons spinning up will be called as it will be identified as 1. Electrons spinning down will be identified as 0. Okay, so the cryptography algorithm and all, like, no, easily the security can be cracked. Okay, it can be easily hacked by using this quantum computers. Okay, so RSA algorithm and all, if we consider, it takes years together to crack the algorithm to identify the key, but here using the quantum computers in 100 seconds we can break it. Okay, and here the major two things involved in the quantum computing are superposition and entanglement. Okay, so superposition is identifying all the combination of all possible states. Okay, the electrons will be moving, right, they will be in spinning up or spinning down state. Okay, so finding out all the combinations of all the possible states, one state will be inducing other state. Okay, so all the combinations will be computed very fast at the same time. Okay, but in the classical computing, one at a time will happen. And the second one is entanglement. Okay, so entanglement is one inducing another. So the quantum particles, right, so they will be inducing the other particle result. Okay, so that will be called as entanglement. That's why all the possible combinations are computed very fast here in the quantum computing. Okay, so Hope you got the intro about the quantum computing in this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.